Okay, the lower floor has bamboo flooring and carpet. Um, Here it goes into the big family room, or they have it set up as a big game room, media room, with big hangout. There's also in this room a walkout patio that's covered, and there's 3 bedrooms here and a full bathroom right here in this space. And I'll pick kid number 1. Bathroom, double sinks. Guest bedroom or bedroom number 2. They recently redid all of these window sills, or window wells, excuse me, and they included this, and that does get daylight from this bedroom. And this is bedroom number 3. This is a big bedroom, double closets, little space above. Also has a really nice full view outside. Okay, behind this door is the mechanical room. They've had some upgrades. They've updated one of the hot water heaters. There's double zone furnace, 75 understairs storage, and mysterious lighting. At any rate, I think there's another switch. At any rate, there's double furnaces, double hot water heater, and air conditioning. Okay, we've just covered the whole interior of the house. Garage is very deep. Again, has also another person door. Then back into the mudroom or the backyard. Thank you so much for joining us at our open house here at 281 South Maryfield Drive in Immigration Place, Immigration Canyon, Salt Lake City, Utah, where we're just about 15 minutes away from the University of Utah Hospital, Research Park, 25 minutes in the other direction to Park City. You could be at Alta Snowbird in about 35 to 45 minutes. So it's a really great spot for being in and around the Salt Lake City or Park City area. Um, Again, we're asking 1,199,000. Our sellers are flexible on closing, and if we can answer any questions, don't hesitate to text me. My number is 801-916-7406. You're welcome to call me, and you're also welcome to email me with any questions. Thank you so much for joining us. Happy Easter.